Welcome to BoltBot. Today, we will explore the multi-wallet feature. First, I will set up multiple wallets by typing set multi. I have the option to either create new wallets or import existing ones. For this demonstration, I will create two new wallets. Now, I need to deposit some ETH into these wallets. The ETH has been successfully deposited. I can verify this by using the multi-balance function. This function displays the balances of all my wallets, including the main wallet and the two new wallets I just created. Each wallet's balance is accompanied by an Ether scan link. Next, I will purchase some Bolt tokens using each wallet through the multi-buy function. To execute this, I simply type multi-buy, followed by the token address, the amount of Ether I wish to spend, and the desired slippage. Thanks to the MEV free protection, I can set a 100% slippage without worrying about any attacks. Once I send the message, the transaction details, including the Ether scan link, will be displayed. We'll wait for the transactions to succeed. We have received the transaction successful message and can verify it on Ether scan. Let's examine the slippage. The minimum output is 0, and we were not subjected to any MEV attacks. Additionally, we can use the multi-balance function again to confirm that our Bolt tokens are safely stored in our wallets. Next, we will sell our tokens using multiple wallets. To do this, we type multisell, followed by the token address, which can be copied from the balance, the amount of tokens to sell, and the desired slippage. Please note that transaction times may vary, especially if the token has not been approved yet. We can now check the status of each transaction, and they have all been successful. Thanks for choosing Bolt.